Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add money in Wise Business. First thing first, go to the Wise Business website or open the app and log in to your account. Now on the homepage, click Balances, then choose the currency balance you want to fund, for example USD, Euro, GBP, etc. Now type in the amount you want to deposit and make sure to pick the right currency to avoid conversion fees. Wise supports several ways to pay into your account like bank transfer, debit card, credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay, ACH or wire transfer, or other local payment methods depending on your region. Now follow the on-screen instructions for your chosen method. For card payments, enter your card details and confirm. For bank transfers, Wise will give you your bank details, send the money from your bank app. Now, wait for the funds to arrive. With card, usually instant, local bank transfer a few hours to 1 day, and international SWIFT transfers from 1 to 3 business days. Once the payment clears, your balance will be updated and ready to use for spending, transfers, or currency exchange. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.